In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Bing. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so the Bing interface appears in the language you prefer, whether you're on a computer or a phone. First, open your favorite web browser and go to https://www.bing.com. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the settings are available. Once you're on the Bing homepage, look to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a small menu icon that may appear as three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, or as a gear icon that represents settings. The exact icon can vary by device and layout, but it will be in that top right area. Click that menu or settings icon to open the menu. In the panel that appears, select Settings. This takes you to Bing's options, where you can control how the site looks and behaves. From here, choose Language. This is the place where you control how the Bing interface is displayed. Under Display Language, you'll see a list of supported languages. Pick the language you want the Bing interface to use. This controls the text for menus, buttons, labels, and other on-screen elements. It doesn't translate web pages you visit, and it might not change the language of search results themselves. It's specifically for the Bing interface you're interacting with. If you're helping someone else, choose a language they're comfortable with, since it will change the labels they see going forward. After you select your preferred display language, look for a Save button. If you see Save, click it to confirm the change. On some layouts, there might not be a Save button because the change applies automatically as soon as you select the language. If the page doesn't refresh right away, give it a second or refresh the page and you should see the interface text in your new language. A few quick tips. If you use multiple devices or browsers, you may need to repeat these steps in each place because language preferences can be stored per browser. If you're signed in, some preferences may stick more reliably, but this process works whether you're signed in or not. If you don't see the menu or the settings option, make sure your browser window isn't zoomed too far in or try switching to desktop mode on a mobile browser. That's it. Open Bing, go to Settings, choose Language, pick your display language, and save if prompted. You can return to the same menu anytime to change it back.